Hi, in this video you will learn how to create and customize questionnaires to send to your client. First of all, you can go to Manage Questionnaires, and in this screen you're going to see a list of all the different questionnaires you've created in the past, and you can take some actions with them, such as you can view it. Let's view this 1-week food questionnaire. It's just what it says, a food diary. You can edit them, you can rename it if you want to change the name of the questionnaire, and delete them. So let's edit this week food diary. And when you click on here, you have to wait a few seconds for the data to load. Right. What you're gonna get is primarily the pre-made fields tab and my custom fields tab. So pre-made fields is a collection of fields that we provide from NutriAdmin. There's over 100 of them. And there's many common questions that most people will use in questionnaires, such as first name, last name, there's personal details, contact details like email, address, etc. There's lifestyle questions like do you smoke, do you drink alcohol. There is consultation related questions such as what is the reason for you visiting, medical conditions, allergies, diet, dietary information, etc. So what you can do in here is you can search for a field you want, like supplements. And by the way, if you type something and we don't have it, you will see no results found. You find supplements. And you can click on this eye icon to view how the field looks like. In this case, this is a table for supplements. And imagine you want to add this to the questionnaire. So all you do is to click here and you put it on. So now this current supplementation table is on the questionnaire. You need to save changes for it to be effective. And I'll go back to questionnaires. So I just edited this 1-week food diary. So if I view it again, there is a food drink diary and there is current supplementation. So as you see, I've just added a new field to this questionnaire. So now let's talk about creating a questionnaire. So if you want to create a questionnaire from scratch, you just have to click in here and give it a name. And NutriAdmin is going to create this for you. At the moment, I have 5 questionnaires. You can store as many as you need for different clients, different consultation types. You can even create in different languages if you type the questions yourself in your language. So let's edit this questionnaire. Since it's a new questionnaire, every field is going to be switched off at the moment. As you see, off, off, off. And right, so we know we can find questions in here like first name, last name, etc. But you can also go to my custom fields, and this is the same. It's like a list like here previously, but this is of fields that you've created yourself. So if you want something very specific that is not in the pre-made fields, you can go here and create it. You need to click on create new field. And now you give your field a name. This is going to be like the title of the question. So it could be like, have you ever visited a nutritionist before? And now you can choose what kind of question you want this to be. Do you want the client to enter a text? Or do you want this to be a yes/no question, which is probably appropriate in this case? There's a couple of options. I'm going to make a separate video explaining what all the different options are. Let's go for yes/no question. Click, and there we go. Have you ever visited a nutritionist before? And if you click on the preview, it's a yes/no question. The client can say yes/no. I'm gonna activate it. This is important. And now save changes. Okay, so our new questionnaire, if we go to view, there we go. We just added first name, last name, have you ever visited a nutritionist before? So you can spend some time setting up your questionnaire to be exactly what you need by creating different fields. And once you have it ready, you only do this once, and then you can send it to any client with one click, and the data will come to NutriAdmin. So you can save a lot of time in the long term this way. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.